the video demo for our Big Data Analytics project, Visualization of Weibo Repost Network. I'm Yufei, and two of my teammates are Han and Ruohua. To begin with, Weibo is kind of like Twitter of China, which has an average of over 340 million active users each month. So the repost network of Weibo can reflect the pattern of how a piece of news or information is spread out through internet in China. With visualization, we can illustrate this pattern and discover some other valuable information. So let me show you some two examples. Here is the repost network of a Weibo posted by CCTV News about Nanjing massacre. From this graph, we can see the power of KOL when a news spread out. Each node here represents a Weibo user who has reposted this Weibo, and the links connect source and target of repost behavior. Nodes with different colors indicate different layers they belong to. So most people in Weibo follows famous celebrities, and in this paragraph, for particular, like this one, Gao Xiaosong, these KOLs own millions of followers. As you can see, a large portion of the reposts do not repost directly from the root Weibo, and it is pretty easy to notice that there are several nodes with larger size, which means more users repost from them, like this one, and this one, this one. Without any exceptions, these are KOLs with large amount of followers. So instead of receiving feed directly from CCTV News, these KOLs are main contributor of news spreading for a majority of Weibo users. Also, with a tree view, we can see this more clear to find that how KOLs contribute to the spread out of this news, like this one, this one's, or bring more users to this repost of this Weibo. So what it will look like if I take out all the KOLs? And here we can see after moving all the KOLs, there are mainly remaining users who directly repost from the root Weibo, and the amount of nodes shrink dramatically, and the structure of repost network changes a lot. And here is another example. As a background, Lu Han is a very popular singer in China with over 40 million Weibo fans. And this year, October, he wrote an Weibo to announce his girlfriend, which ignited the whole Weibo and led to the paralysis of Weibo. So we dive into that repost network of this particular Weibo to see what happened. Let me say that not in this paragraph. In this graph is much more fuller than the graph of Nanjing, but actually we downloaded much more data of this than the former one. However, after deleting the duplicated IDs and record their reposted times in their own information, the graph is like this. So we notice that there must something special to happen. And this portion of the graph is what I meant. For example, these three nodes here, you can see they have a large amount of count here, which indicates they have appears in this repost chain a lot of times. And if we click on that node, we can see all information in its Weibo are the same, and it's about Lu Han. And we found that in the same time, 1048, it reposted over, and 1047, it reposted over 10 times the same Weibo. So it cannot be done by a human. So we can conclude that it is a robot who is designed to increase the popularity of the original Weibo. And another information to notice is that this Weibo account has only one fans, one followers, so it has a pretty large possibility that it is a robot instead of a human. So secondly, still in this graph, we can see there are two large centers here. One is blue and the other is red. So these ones are both not from Luhan. It's original, the same as the original Weibo, and it is a hot event which was promoted by several times announcement of the center people. So that is another conclusion we can gain from the visualization of this repost network. So to sum up, this whole event is pushed by both the man-made planning and the popularity of Luhan itself. So here is a two quick demo of our project visualization of Weibo reposting network. Thank you.